Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be reacting to someone called Walla, and the title is Ain't Misbehaving. I don't know who Walla is. I don't know if it's an individual or it's a band, and I would love to know who the person is, and that is why we are doing this video. So guys, without much further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, he's a pianist. Okay.
To talk with.
This is jazz, right? This is jazz.
No one to walk with, but I'm happy on the shelf.
How's his voice like that?
Saving my love for you, for you, for you.
It's so dramatic.
I know for certain the one I love.
I like the setting.
I'm through with flirting, it's you that I'm thinking of.
It's even so old school, 1943 kind of old school, yeah.
My love for you.
Quite old.
Like Jack Horner in the corner, don't go nowhere. What do I care? Your kisses are worth waiting for. Believe me. I don't stay out. Well, thank you. No place to go.
Oh my God. Got shanked. He was shanked.
Ain't misbehaving, saving all my love for you.
Oh my God. Guys, what's this? Whoa. No way. What the hell are these percussions?
Yeah. Got no place to go.
That was so good.
Just me and my radio. Ain't misbehaving, saving my love for you.
Guys, I think this is just, it reminds me of, I can bet you that this guy his song has been used for Tom and Jerry before, because it sounds like a song that I've played in the background of Tom and Jerry while they were doing their chase or something. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like I've heard some, it sounds so nostalgic in a way, because I feel like I've heard it somewhere, not this particular song, but this style of song. I feel like I've heard it somewhere in Tom and Jerry, and the way he acts, the way he behaves, it feels like his music has been incorporated into a Tom and Jerry skits before. But if I'm wrong, let me know. Who is this guy? This was so beautiful. I love the way he went up the tempo and then he came down and then he continued on the flat line, and that was just so good. I think this is my first time actually listening to a jazz pianist, because that is what he is. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that is what it seems like he is. This is the first time actually reacting to a jazz pianist, and I absolutely love it. So guys, if you know who Walla is, please do well to recommend more songs by Walla, and I would really appreciate. So guys, if you like this reaction, do well to like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next